Hi everybody, Kat here. Thanks for joining me today for this very quick little video. Here are a few books that I published that I thought would be worth sharing with you. You may have someone you need a last minute gift for, or you may want them for yourself. And I have a pretty low profile. I'm no Margaret Atwood. So you're guaranteed that these would be unique gifts, to say the least. So to begin with, I have a behavior observation logbook for childcare workers. Now, I worked with children with special needs and behavior issues, and so one of these would have really come in handy. And it's just a book, like a journal to record their good and not so good days. And then if you need to write reports, you can refer back to it, or if you're involved with parent-teacher interviews, this also comes in handy. This is a book. It's a daily food journal for weight loss or healthier eating habits. So I found this rather useful. You just record everything you eat in the day, including the water you drink and things like that. And it holds you accountable, and kind of reminds you to drink water, because I'm not a big water drinker. And then at the end of every week, there's a grocery list, a place for you to make a grocery list. So that's kind of a cute idea for someone or yourself. Now these two have to do with their end of life planners. This one has a humorous cover to it, and this is actually a much better seller than the others, because the cover is humorous. Because death can be pretty uncomfortable to discuss, so I understand this. So what this is, it does not take the place of a will. You still need to go to a notary or a lawyer if you're in the States. And what this is something you would leave to the person in charge of your personal affairs. It contains a place for special requests, like your wishes. It contains information about what you want to happen with your pets and any dependents, and who to contact, and all the passwords you have with different, your social media or your banking information, whatever have you. All that personal information is in one place, and you just tell that one person or people, if it's your children, or where this book is kept, and then if and when the time comes, they'll know exactly where to find it. So there are a couple of covers. This one is more serene. It doesn't have a humorous cover on it, and there's a second one like this that has a different cover, but it's still more serene. Same idea, same exact thing, except for the introduction, I think, is a little different. And I think they're quite affordable. And I will be showing you these. I'm going to switch to my screen camera. Hello everybody. Now this is very new to me, doing this, recording my screen. It's the first time, so bear with me. So I have gone to Amazon.ca and I've signed in because I am a Prime member. In here, I'm going to go to books, and I'm going to type in capitals C.A.T.S, cats, and then Easy Life Journals. This is the easiest way to find them. And click on search, and then scroll down, and here are the ones I've shown you. So in Canadian dollars, they're $11.99, extremely affordable. A lot of work went into these books. The pizza one's $8.99. And this one I didn't show you, Exactly Why You're My Favorite Guy. That is like a little book that you fill out, and then you would give it to your favorite man in your life. And there are two, one here and one here. And this is the behavior observation logbook that I showed you, and they have a few different covers. I don't know why they don't list them in order. I have no idea. Then they have the quilt project planners that I showed you the inside of. And that's not mine, so that should not be here. You see, it's by Daniel Novum. It's not by Kat's Easy Life Journals. So here's another quilt one, quilt behavior, okay. And that's not mine. So if we go to the second page, let's see if they show something else that I've done, because I have a few things. Cocktails and mocktails. So those are what it's. I have some recipes in here, and then you can write your own recipes. And what else? And I think that is all there is. So now we're going to go to Amazon.com if you're in the States. Oh, and just so you know, in Canada they'll arrive by December 15th if you're a Prime member. In here, I'm going to go to books, just like I did before. Okay, so now I have I've signed in to Amazon.com, and I am in Canada, so it's telling me that it would deliver to me by December 17th in Canada, so this December 21st. So the delivery dates may vary depending on where you are, but if you have Prime delivery, you should get these in time for Christmas. So I just wanted to show you how easy it is to get to them. If you have someone in your life you need to buy for, and you don't know what to give them, here's an idea for you. I hope that helps. Take care. Bye-bye.